ngayon, hinahabol ko pa yung hininga ko. Hindi ko na kaya. Parang gusto ko na lang magpakahulog pababa. Malas ko naman, B. Diyos ko, babalik na lang ako sa Paris. See you Paris again. Next week? Joke. So, paano ko mag-empake? Where to start? Oh my God. Diyos ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin ko. Paano? Paano talaga? Hindi ko talaga alam. So, babay na talaga. Bye. Paalam Paris, paalam Europe. I'll be back soon. I'll see you again soon. Good morning guys. So this is my community. Good morning mga ma'am sir. King Ilmers, kayo na naman. So ayan. So this is my community in Paris. It's my 4th day I think. 4th day? Yeah I guess. So now I'm going to catch the bus going to the outlet village. So follow me. Charis! Leche kayo. Vlogger yan B. Hindi, joke lang. So yun, pupunta tayo ng outlet village ulit kasi nga babalikan ko yung pinapabili ng friend ko, yung bag na gusto niya sa YSL, which is ang mura, almost half ng price yung presyo niya sa UAE tsaka dito. So bibilin ko na yon, and then yung mga pinapabili ng aking pinakamamahal na kapatid, yung kanya mga bilin na bags, bibilhin ko na rin. So yun, para at least alam ko na bukas kung bibili ako ng bagong maleta. So sa Amsterdam, bumili ako ng bagong maleta, ganun din dito. So yun na muna no, bye na muna guys. So now papunta tayo ng metro, lumagpas tayo guys, nag round trip tayo. Serious, ba't ba ako nagmumura? Bawal yan, bad. King Ilmers na lang. Ganda na neighborhood dito, look. Look. Okay, so I'm going inside the metro na. I'll see you later guys, bye. Hi guys, so ngayon tayo ay nakasandal sa tren. Papunta tayo ng outlet village sa La Valle Mall para bilhin yung ibang mga pasalubong. So yun o guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi updated sa aking mga ganap. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye. Mga mamsters, so nandito na ulit tayo and I like the weather today. It's maaraw. Yeah.
30 euro.
30 euro?
Yeah.
Okay, can you show me? It's like a metal card with a card holder, additional 30 euros. Okay, so ito na yung new stock. New stock. All smooth, clear. Oh, there's one.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, may pocket to. Yung new stock, may pocket. Nice.
Same price.
Ah, guys. So, ayan guys, napauwi na tayo. Nasa metro na tayo. Nasa train pala, by the way. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video dun sa outlet village dahil mayat-maya ako namimili na sa stores ako. Mayat-maya pasok, labas. And marami na akong big bet. So, mga mamster, namili lang ako. Ang dami ko na naman nabili sa sarili ko. Saka yung mga pasabay. Ito yung iba. Yung iba nasa bag ko na eh. Ito yung iba. Yung YSL, meron tayong Calvin, may Longchamp, meron tayo dito mga Ralph Lauren, yung iba nasa bag ko. So yun, iuwi ko muna to. Ang oras na ngayon ay 3:30 kasi may dinner ako ng 7. So gusto ko nga sana mag Montmartre muna eh. So yun, baka umalis ako ng mga 5. Labas ako ng mga 5 para mag Montmartre, saka yung Sacré Coeur. Yun lang naman. Update ko kayo later. Bye bye. I'm so pagod. So ayan guys, no. Umakyat tayo sa Montmartre. Kita yung sa likod ko. Yan yung Basile Sacré Coeur. Hanggang ngayon, hinahabol ko pa yung hininga ko. Hindi ko na kaya. Parang gusto ko na lang magpakahulog pababa. Yan yung view. Kasi nga maganda dito eh. Yan yung view. The view of the Paris. And that is the church. Wow! The view of the Paris. And that is the church. Woo! So again, nakalimutan natin yung ating camera. So ngayon, tiis-tiis muna tayo sa cellphone guys. Cellphone muna tayo. Hi guys, hello mga mamster, King Inamers. Kayo na naman. Hindi, joke lang. So, ngayon, right now we're at the Musée d'Orsay, walking towards the La Grande Épicerie for the butter. So I'm going there to buy butter, and then after that I'll go to Lafayette, and then maybe I'll go to the Jardin de Luxembourg or the Luxembourg Garden. The weather is cold. The weather is nice actually. It's cold and nice. No more raining. So, itong ating unang vlog dito pa sa Paris at sa Europe. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and share. And hit the notification bell para syempre updated kayo sa mga ganap ko. Yeah, I'm in a nice neighborhood. Look, it's a very nice neighborhood. Going to the butter store. Yeah, vintage watches over here. Pagod na ako. So it's my last official day. Because tomorrow, I'll have to go to the airport na to go back to Abu Dhabi. So babalik na tayo sa realidad guys. Sa realidad na wala akong ginagawa sa buhay. Just ko kailangan ko lang mag-work. I have to work. Baka meron kayong alam na work dyan. Pwede ako magpasa ng CV. Finally found it, the one for the butter. Yeah, I'm walking to the market, Marches de Enfants de Couveau. I don't know how to pronounce it. Basta kakain ako. This is nice. Ang hilig na sa ganitong setting. It's a sunny day. The weather is nice. Nice, colorful street. Ngayon is papasok na tayo sa market. Yeah, I think this is it. I'll look for the sandwich, famous sandwich. Look, I'm in Galerie Lafayette, Haussmann. It's a big shopping mall. Look. Wow! It's the perfume section. So I'm going to the La Terrace of the Galeries Lafayette. So let's see what's in the terrace. La Terrace is just basically the terrace in English. Puro hagdan, Diyos ko. Hindi na ako nagsawa kakahagdan. So ito, nasa terrace na tayo. Look how beautiful. Wow! So ayan no, ito yung Paris Garnier or Opera Garnier. Dito kinasal si Dr. Vicky Bello and si Dr. Hayden ko. So dyan, sa loob niyan. Ang laki no? Look. Oh, nakakatakot. That is the Eiffel Tower. Tayo mga mamsar, hindi naman po tayo turista. Ang daming tao eh, ano? Kagulo doon. So ayoko na makigulo. Ako ay pupunta na sa Pont Neuf para sa Lovelock Bridge. Although nakita ko na yung Lovelock sa may Sacré-Cœur, Basilica. Pero yung pinaka main is dun sa Pont Neuf. So see you guys, bye! La Opera, yung Palais Garnier. Garnier Palace in English. Garnier. La Opera. So I'm in Lafayette. So hindi na ako nakapunta ng Champs-Élysées. Change of plans guys. So from Galeries Lafayette, I'll go to Champs-Élysées to see the Arc de Triomphe. And then from Arc de Triomphe, I'll go to Pont Neuf. And then from Pont Neuf, I'll go to Primark. So now I'm going to the metro. I still have enough time, don't worry. It's only 4:46. The Primark is until 8 or 8:30. Kailangan ko makabili ng maleta. It looks like a gallery. Wow! Look, the subway going out of the metro station looks so nice. There's a big Lacoste, Levi's. I think the road is still closed leading to the Arc de Triomphe. Malas ko naman, B! Hanggang ngayon Olympic fever pa rin sila. Diyos ko, babalik na lang ako sa Paris. See you Paris again next week. Joke. No, I'm leaving tomorrow, but I'm already planning to make comeback. So far so good naman sa akin ng Paris. Wala akong na-experience na kakaiba or masama. So I'll definitely come back. So yeah. So pauwi na tayo sa hotel. May binili lang tayo dito sa may Crete. Dahil dito na may Primark, kung ano man ang tawag doon, basta yun na yun. May binili lang ako doon. So, pabalik tayo sa hotel, mag-e-empake na tayo, magkikilo na tayo. So, tomorrow, we're ready. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so now I'm walking to the bus stop, going to the hotel. I really love taking the bus compared to the train going to the hotel because the stop is directly at the hotel. So, what I do usually is train and then transfer to bus. That's what I do. Okay, so now I'll transfer to the bus. Just came out from the train. See ya. So now I just got off the bus. It's already 8 o'clock in the evening and the sun is still up. Usually ang sunset dito is around 9 or 10. I'm gonna miss this neighborhood. I'm gonna miss this area. Next time I go to Paris, I might stay again on this hotel because I love it here. So yun no mga ma'am sir, nag-laundry tayo ng damit. Muna medyo nakakalito pero kinaya ng powers natin. So yun, mamaya magdadryer ako. So 30 minutes yun. Akit muna ako sa hotel. The moment of truth, guys. The moment of truth. Time na para mag-empake. So yan, kakatas ko lang mag-laundry. Sabi ko nga sa post ko, relaxing mag-laundry at mag-tiklop. Dito ko lang naramdaman yun. Kasi sa UAE is yun yung pinaka-hate na hate ko. So paano ako mag-empake? Where to start? My God. So yun no, kabit natin sa tripod. So, panoorin nyo ako mag-empake o wag na. Diyos ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin ko. Paano? Where to start? So, tatanggalin muna natin yung mga bags sa boxes. Kasi plano ko ilagay siya sa hand carry. So, problema ko is baka masira siya. O, tanggalin ko na lang itong paper, no? Para sure. Tapos yung mga boxes, plano ko lagyan ko na lang ng damit. So, ganahin natin itong shirts. Oh, alam ko na gagawin ko. Pwede ko siya lagyan ng souvenirs. So yun, no? Huwag niyo na ako samahan magtiklop. Dahil hindi ko rin alam kung paano ako magsisimula. Diyos ko, 3 maleta yan. Paano gagawin ko, guys? Paano? Tell me! Mga ma'am, sir! Tell me how. So paano? So yun, no? See you guys tomorrow. After this, magdi-dinner na lang ako. After dinner, tatry kong matulog or pag sinipag ako, pupunta na ako ng airport, doon ako magpapaumaga. Time check, it's around 10 o'clock in the evening already. My flight is at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So I have 12 hours. Good luck. Bye guys. Paano talaga? Hindi ko talaga alam. So bye-bye na talaga. Bye. Good morning mga ma'am sir. So yun no, ang aga natin. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're heading to the airport. We're waiting for the Grab, for the Uber to arrive. Hindi ko kaya mag-tren and it's still closed. My flight is at 10:20 in CDG Airport. My luggage is, it's heavy. So yun o, hanggang sa muli. Paalam. Paalam Paris, paalam Europe. I'll be back soon. I'll see you again soon. I love the weather. Sana ganito na yung weather pagdating ko ng UAE. Though sabi nila, nagsisimula na daw lumamig. So looking forward to that mga ma'am sir. So hanggang sa muli. Paalam mga ma'am sir. King Inamers, kayo na naman. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and please like, share, and comment. And please subscribe to my channel na rin mga ma'am sir. Bye, thank you so much. Au revoir. Good morning guys. So now I just arrived here at the airport in Paris, CDG. I'm going to see if I can check in earlier. Maybe not. Well, I'm sure not. It's still early. So I'll update you later guys pag nasa plane na ako. Bye bye. Medyo maaga pa. 6 o'clock pa lang pero nakakuha na ako ng boarding pass. Medyo swerte tayo today. Ano ba? Yeah, around 6:30. So 4 hours before the flight. Kasi usually I get the boarding pass or I get a seat 1 hour before the flight. That's how it goes for staff tickets. So now, since maluwag yung flight, binigyan nila ako ng seat. So I'll be going through the immigration na. And then after immigration, maybe I'll look for something to eat. Medyo hungry na rin ako para makapag-breakfast. Okay? I'll update you later, guys. Ciao! So we're going to take a train to our gate because it's a little bit far. Yeah, from the terminal. It's 21 minutes. But so far so good. The immigration went smooth, no questions asked.
Gate M. Please ensure that you have all of your luggage with you.
Hi guys. So I'm done with the immigration and all the baggage checks. I'm now here in the duty-free area. I'm gonna go look for something to eat. Atelier. Or something to buy. I don't know. Hi guys. So now I'm going to my boarding gate. Waiting for my flight. It's like an hour and 30 minutes before my flight to Abu Dhabi. Back to Abu Dhabi. So now I'm walking through my boarding gate. That's Delta Airlines. I'm on M47 for Etihad. Hanggang sa muli natin travel, samahan niyo ulit ako. Hindi pa natin sure kung saan ang next. Can be Asia, can be America. Charis! So mga ma'am, sir, bye! So ayan guys, no, nakarating na tayo ng Abu Dhabi. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-video sa plane. At ako'y inaantok, natulog ako. So ayan, Abu Dhabi na tayo. Punta tayo immigration. Bye guys. Bye. Susundin din ako ni ate tsaka ng mga pamangkin ko. So yun, bye bye. Okay, so I just got out of the airport. Done with everything, immigration, the luggage, the customs. So I'm back to my world. I'm back to Abu Dhabi. Look at my luggage. 3 big luggages. Ang init na. Nararamdaman ko na yung init. Diyos ko. Sa Abu Dhabi na nga ako.